today we will take a closer look at the Wheeler Engineering Professional Scope Mounting Kit Combo. Now they call this a mounting kit combo because inside this box are 3 Wheeler Engineering products that are generally sold separately, and this kit mounts the 1-inch and 30mm tube scopes. Okay, it comes complete with the fat wrench, firearms accurizing torque wrench. It comes with 10 driver bits. It comes with the level, that's what they call it. Actually they call it the level. And that's it there, which is used to align the scope level, the crosshairs level with your firearm. It comes with a 30mm ring lapping bar and a 30mm scope alignment bars, and it comes with a 1-inch scope ring alignment bars and 1-inch lapping bar. It also comes with lapping bar handle, lapping compound, thread locker and a flex driver. Now all this comes in a convenient storage hard case. Now all these items can be bought separately. You can buy just a lapping bar and alignment kit for 1-inch scope or for 30mm scope separately. The fat wrench is also sold separately, and so is the leveling kit. So what they've done here, this is a complete mounting kit as mentioned previously, which has all the essential parts inside one convenient case. Let's flip this box over and see what we've got on the back. It's got a bit of a step-by-step guide on how to fit and align your rifle scope, and just gives you a bit of an itemised description and parts list of what is in the box. So let's get this unboxed and we'll have a closer look at what's inside. Here's the complete kit out of the box. It looks to be really good quality stuff. I'm pretty happy with it. I obviously have not used it yet, but I will be fitting a scope to one of my rifles shortly. Now I've noticed there's an empty space there, and there appears to be an empty space there. So I can't work out, well, there's definitely nothing missing because all the parts in there. I can't work out, there might be another product that Wheeler Engineering sell that will fit into that space. So I'll have to look into that. If anyone has any idea what you put in there, just leave a comment and let me know. There's your torque bits, flexi drive handle, your alignment bars, and your lapping compound. It also comes with instructions how to use each product, covering the various products inside the case, and it also comes with a calibration certificate, and it looks like the calibration is pretty good. There's the torque setting and there's the actual reading it has given. There's an upper and lower limit that's acceptable, and these are quite close. Overall, so far, without using this kit, I find it's quite comprehensive and I'm very happy with my purchase so far.